everyone, it's Sam here, and today I get to play with some new product from Creative Craft Products. This is the latest release, which is called Spotlight on Occasions. So there are 6 new stamp plates, and then you also get your sentiment set here. So I'm curious to know, let me know in the comments, have you tried the Spotlight technique before? Because that's what I'm going to be showing you today. You have your lovely intricate butterfly. These are nice sizes as well. You can see the size there. And then you've got your bumblebees, and the stretched hexagon. So, and they come with the die sets here, and this is what will create that spotlight effect. Then you've got baby doodles, which I actually think is really quite cute. I've got some little doodle stamps like this that I bought years ago when I was living abroad, so I think they'd work quite well with that actually. And then you've got your raining cats and dogs and the polygon die. This one's beautiful, poppy stamp and scallop circle. I've stamped them already, that one is stunning. And then this one here is like your sketch, it's your floral stamp, and you get your cone. So I've already gone ahead and stamped the images. In fact, we'll get right into the video now. So I'm going to add all the sentiments at the end. So I'm going to build the cards with you, and then I'll show you the reveal, and you can let me know which one's your favourite in the comments as well. So that's how your bumblebees looks. Really, really nice. That's that sketchy one. And you've got your bumblebee, you've got your butterfly there. That's again the doodles. There's your raining cats and dogs. I think these are perfect note card size. So you could make all these, pop them in a little gift box. I think that'd be nice. And there's that stunning, gorgeous, really, really pretty. So I've got all the dies here. I just dumped them all out. Now what you do is, if I show you, there's your scallop, for example. That's the nesting ones. You want to take the smallest one. And which one was that part of? Because I guess I should stick with the right shapes that they've put them with. Oh, actually, it's that one. Okay. And you want to cut the smallest one out of a section. So choose what you want to be your spotlight part of this image. So bearing in mind, I've got to think about my sentiment, and you need to take the largest one into consideration as well, because you don't want to go too far over the left, for example, with the smallest one, and then try to stick that on and it's going to hang over the edge. So I think I'm going to go about here, because I've got a little bit of the bud and the blooms, plus that will fit on nicely, and then I can have maybe my sentiment there. So I'm going to take some of my low tack tape here. Now you're keeping all of this, don't throw anything away. So if you are using a tape, to be honest, I might just carefully, I think I will, because I don't want to run the risk of it ripping. I'm going to just very carefully sit that on top of my plate there, and then just pass that through. So I'm going to take that away, and then with the largest one, I've already gone ahead and cut that one out in black, and I've cut them all in black. And the idea is you place it down on here with a nice border, and you're going to piece it back over the top so it joins up the image, but we're going to colour this part in. So that process there, I'm now going to repeat on all of these. Okay, so I've coloured in all of the pieces. I've used my coloured pencils for these ones because I'd actually stamped in the VersaFine. But it was quite nice to go back to colour pencils because I haven't used them for a while, because I've been using the alcohol markers. So if anybody wonders, it is pencils today. So I've already gone ahead and stuck them down onto little top fold 5x5 card blanks. I actually just trimmed down a 5x7 card blank. If you don't have them, you want to make it from scratch. It's a piece of 10x5, just scored at 5 inches along the long part there. And then I've already just popped these up on some foam, but I'm going to then pop them up on some foam again, so they're kind of floating. That's optional, because obviously it is going to add a little bit more dimension to the card. Just a bit of foam on the back, and then you just want to make sure that you line it back up so that the images kind of line up. Obviously you've got the border in between there, breaking them up. I mean, you could cut into it if you want it a bit thinner. You could trim it down a little bit. In fact, let's try that with this one. It's a bit easier to trim. I might just trim that down just so we can get the image a little bit closer. These are the foam pads from Creative Craft Products. I've got so many of the black ones that I just want to get those used, but they're working well with this card because of the black card that I'm using. And this one here is quite easy. I can see the wings there. I like that one. That looks cool. So yeah, with the smaller or the thicker, they both look nice. Try this one. These ones are easier to trim. Okay, so I've stuck all those down. I love this one. I think that looks really, really effective. I love that one as well. This is cool. The bees. I think that one's really sweet. So I'm going to now finish them off with the sentiments. And I might add some embellishments or maybe a bit of the accent glaze onto some of them. You've also got the word dies here as well. Let's see what we've got here. It does say on the front. So you've got you, celebrate, best, new, proud and many. So I'm going to have a little play around with them and yeah, get these cards finished. Okay, so I've finished all of the cards. So let me know in the comments which one's your favourite. So we've got this one here, the many thanks. I've just added some glaze onto the top there, and those are the sentiments from the set. This one's nice, just stamp the happy returns above the top. I think this one's one of my favourites. I like this one as well. Just had the celebrate running along the side there. And I've added the sparkle pen. Can you see all that glitter? That's so cool. So number 3 and number 4. Proud of you. And I stamped this on a little bit of vellum. Just love that image. I think it's so nice. Number 5, again, added some of the glitter pen or sparkle pen. And then best friend for the one with all of the dogs and cats on. I think, again, that's very, very sweet. So I don't know why I've done that backwards, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I hope you've enjoyed this fun technique from me today and you're going to give it a go. See what you've got in your stash. I think you'll be able to create some really, really nice cards. As always, all of the product that I've used today, you can find over on the Craft Stash website. You can find that by clicking here. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and that way you won't miss out on any future videos. And popping up here, I'm going to have a playlist just full of techniques. So if you're new to card making, or maybe you've been doing it a long time, you just want a bit of a reminder of things, I have so many fun techniques in this playlist, so check it out. I also have all of the product individually linked in the description box below. See you all again soon. Bye.